In this lesson, we are going to revisit what we learnt in part 1, as well as learn how to sing along to the second verse and chorus. We will also learn how to play 2 more instrumental sections and perform the whole piece from start to finish. So, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Part 2 of Let's Dance uses exactly the same notes that we used for Part 1. Our new note, low E, uses 2 fingers in our right hand. Look at the diagram and make sure you're pressing the right keys down for low E. For our warm-up today, we're going to start with the note E. We play a G in our left hand and have our first finger on the F key in our right hand and our middle finger on the E key in our right hand. Always remember to keep your little finger on the foot joint key and keep the flute nice and straight and horizontal. Copy me on E. E, 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 E. We're now going to move to C, first finger on the B key, no thumb on the back. There's a really busy part in this using quavers, so we're going to practice playing quickly using our tongue, using that T sound. Copy me. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Well done. Now that we've warmed up, let's play through the verse that we learned last week. We're now going to learn the quaver link section and the ending. The quaver link section is all on the note C and it follows this rhythm. Running, 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 walk, 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 walk. Can you do that with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Running, 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 walk, 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 walk. Well done. We're now going to try that on our flute with the backing track. So get ready on the note C, First finger on the B key, no thumb on the back. The ending is very similar to a part we've already learnt in the chorus. It follows the words "a let's dance" and it uses these three notes, G, A and C. I'm going to play it along with the backing track and I'd like you to listen first. This time, I'd like you to try and play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done.
So now it's time for our final performance. Choose which part you are going to play. You'll hear the count in and the introduction. Then you'll sing the first verse and the chorus. Then you'll play a verse, play a chorus, and then you'll play the Quaver Link section. Then you'll sing a verse and a chorus again, before finally playing another verse and chorus, remembering to repeat the last short phrase 3 times. Remember, you can pause, rewind or review any section of this video or last week's video to help you practice this piece at home.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the rock, and take a two. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Hey baby, if you're all alone, maybe you'll let me walk you home. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the rock, and take a two. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket celebration pieces coming your way soon.